Alright, before this video starts, quickly, I'm gonna be more active on my Instagram. It's brecken.official. I'll pop it up on the screen right now. And basically, I just want to be more active on it. So if you guys want to check out that, make sure to do that. I'll probably be a link in the description. But yeah, let's just get into the video. Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on this channel. Today, I'm gonna show you guys a quick couple of methods on how to boost your FPS to the max. This is my third time recording this video, and it's wonderful, honestly, because literally every single time I've recorded this video, the screen will randomly go black in OBS for like 5 minutes, and each video that I recorded was like 30 minutes long in total, and so I'm going to try and make this one shorter and probably around like the 5-10 minute mark. So yeah, we're just going to get right into it. I'm not going to waste any time. Alright, so the first step, we are going to go into our little Windows bar here and go and run, and we're going to search up prefetch. So we're just gonna load this up, and this is just like useless files that you don't need anymore, so we're just gonna delete all of these, and these are just useless, so don't worry about deleting anything. As you can see, they're very small, so we're just gonna delete those, and we're gonna get out of there, and we're gonna clear our recycling bin, and we're gonna go back into the run bar right here, and we're gonna search up temp, and we're just gonna load this up, and we're just gonna delete all these as well. These are just temporary files, and they're useless, and you don't need them, so just delete those and clear your recycling bin once again. Alrighty, so for our next step, you guys are going to download CCleaner. Now, I'll probably have the link in the description down below on like the download link, but you're just going to open this up right here, and basically what this does, it just clears your PC for any like virus things, or just clears it up to make it better. So as you can see, I can get a health check, so I'm just going to press it, and it starts my health check, and it'll probably say it's under weather, but that's usually what it says all the time, I guess. But it does really help though. Like if you launch up Fortnite after putting this on, it really does dramatically improve your FPS. Depends on how long it's like not been done before. If you haven't done it in like a week or so, it's gonna do a lot. So yeah, it's just gonna check our PC's health, and as soon as we're done with this, we should be able to clean our PC up, and that will make it faster and stuff like that. As you can see, it says under the weather, and we're just gonna press make it better, and basically what this does, it just patches up the PC, as you can see, and we are done right here. As you can see, I got almost 7 megabytes of junk, which is not that much, but I literally did it like twice today, because I was recording this video twice, and I did it last night, and yeah, so that's probably why. So we're just going to close out of that as soon as that's done. And the next step, you are going to go into our search bar, and we're just going to search up update. And it says check for updates. You're just going to want to click on this one. It's like the first one that shows up usually. So as soon as we load this up right here, basically what this is going to do is just, it says it in the name, we're going to update the PC. Now I can update mine, I believe, but I haven't done it yet. I should probably do that. It will help my FPS and stuff, and it makes your PC even faster. So as you can see, I have this right here, but just press check for updates, and I recommend downloading it after you watch this video, just so you got that out of the way, because it usually takes quite a bit to download, like a long time. So as soon as you're up to date, or you can just keep this tab open, you can close it of that. And the next step is also going GeForce Experience, and I have to open Task Scheduler for some reason. Every time I open up GeForce Experience, it makes me open up Task Scheduler, or else the app doesn't launch, like for some reason. It's really annoying, so I have to open this up every single time. So if you're having trouble, that's why. You just have to open up Task Scheduler, and it should work. Alright, so as soon as we're in here, we're just going to go to drivers right here, and I just updated mine yesterday. So basically you're just going to press check for updates, and if you're up to date, this will show up in the bottom like left corner, and if it's not, you can install right here. There's like a green, and as soon as you're done that, press express installation, and it should install. It takes, you don't have to restart your PC or anything, but it just takes a couple moments. It doesn't, you don't have to restart it. So as soon as that's done, you can close it here, and I recommend checking that like twice a month, or maybe every a couple of weeks. So just basically that improves your FPS as well drastically. I don't know if that's a word. Alright, so for the next step, you're going to have Fortnite open, but I'm not going to open it, honestly, because it takes forever for me to open Fortnite. But basically, you're just going to have Fortnite open, and I'll just explain it to you. It's very easy to explain. Basically, we're just going to go on our task manager right here, and I'm just going to make this full right here. And we're going to go in the top tab, we're going to go to details, and go all the way down. And for you guys, there should be a Fortnite of, it's like a Fortnite Win 64, I believe, and the top one, there's 3 of them. or there's two of the same ones, and then there's a Fortnite launcher. On the very top one, you're gonna, let's say this is it right here, you're gonna right click it and press set priority and choose it on high. So the top one, the top Fortnite one, there should be three. You just click on, right click it and then press set priority and put it on high. And that's pretty much that step. And now we're gonna stay in the task manager and do another step, which is go to startup right here, and all these apps that you don't want. Basically, I'm just gonna disable CCleaner and disable. As you can see, I can't disable Avast. I didn't even install it personally. It's just a very annoying app, and I can't delete it. Like, as you can see, I can't even disable it. It's just really annoying. I hate it. But I'm just gonna disable every single one I can, except for like my wallpaper engine and stuff. So that pretty much is done. Yeah, as you can see, I have every single thing disabled except for my wallpaper and my translucent taskbar. But yeah, that's that step. I think that's pretty much it for this video. These weren't like in-game Fortnite settings. These are more or less just PC optimizations. And if you guys want a more like crazy in-depth video, I have, as you can see, I have like a season 4 pack, 4 FPS boost right here, and I have more in-game settings that I can show you guys. And I just want, I rushed this video honestly because I recorded it. This is my third time, and I'm kind of getting sick and tired of recording the same video. So that's why it was rushed. But anyway, if you guys did enjoy it, you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you guys. So if you guys did enjoy, leave a like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.